In today's video, we are going to show you how to set reminders on Google Tasks so you never forget an important task again. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways that we can do this. Number one option is by going to the Google Task itself. All we have to do is very simple. You see that there is the create button here. If you want to create a reminder, you can do so by clicking that plus button. And then as you can see, you can put in the title, the date. For example, we have like December 30th, and around, let's say we have a specific date in mind, if that's possible. And you have the ability to set the, if it's going to be like a recurring all day, does not repeat. You have multiple options here, and of course you can set it to put it to my task if you wanted, and then click the save button. That's one way. Another option is by going to the Google Mail or Gmail. Here, all I have to do is very simple. Hover to the right side corner of the dashboard, and as you can see, you can access the task here very quickly. And of course, you can add a task if you wanted, but we have already added a task earlier, right? So if you want another one, you can simply put in again the title. You have more control. You can repeat that if it's a recurring event or a task. You can set it today, tomorrow, or if you want a specific date and time, you can do so. The three dots actions here gives you more options. If you wanted to put a deadline, add a subtask if you want. Okay, let's do that. And then, of course, if you want to put it on your current tasks or a new list, you have the ability to do so. It's very simple, it's not complicated, and it's very easy. Once you're happy, you also have the option to add this to your starred section so that you're never gonna miss everything again. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to set the reminders on Google Tasks so you never forget an important task again. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.